Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to your GoDaddy website builder. This is incredibly useful if you want to embed custom elements, third-party widgets, or any specialized functionality that isn't available through GoDaddy's standard tools. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to GoDaddy, open your browser, and head over to godaddy.com. Once you're there, type in your credentials to log in. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your GoDaddy dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your services. From here, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to the section where all your website management options live. Your website settings page will now open up in front of you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Edit Website. Go ahead and click on that. This action launches the GoDaddy website editor, which is the visual interface where you can make changes to your site's design and content. The editor might take a few seconds to load, so be patient while it fully opens. Now that you're inside the website editor, it's time to add your HTML code. Scroll down through your page until you locate the exact position where you want to insert your custom HTML. Placement is important here because it determines where your embedded content will appear on the live site. Once you've found the right spot, click on the Add Section button. This button allows you to insert new content blocks into your page. A right side panel will slide open, displaying all the different elements you can add to your website. These include images, text blocks, galleries, and more. For our purpose, you'll need to look for the File and Web element, scroll through the options until you find it, then click on it. When you do, 3 different options will be presented to you. From these options, select HTML, then click on Add. This tells GoDaddy that you want to insert a custom HTML code block into your page. A code editor window will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a field labeled Custom Code, and this is exactly where you'll paste or type your HTML code. Whether you're embedding a form, a widget, a video player, or any other custom element, simply add your code into this field. Make sure your code is clean and properly formatted to avoid any display issues. And that's it. You've successfully added HTML code to your GoDaddy website builder, giving you the flexibility to customize your site beyond the standard options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.